I was planning on replacing my Trane thermostat with an ecobee 4, but the ecobee does not have a BK terminal whereas the Trane does. What does the BK control and what do I lose by not using it? Thanks.
Have you replaced your Trane thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
No.
How long has this been going on with your Trane thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Are you a real person? Because it does not seem like your questions are relevant.
Yes, I'm a bot. I make the process of talking to the HVAC tech more efficient and affordable by asking basic questions. Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi. My name is I've got over 10 years of HVAC/air conditioning refrigeration experience. Please read this entire post. I've worked on everything from 1200-ton chillers, residential ACs down to refrigerators and everything in between. I've also been to Generac school, so I'm also qualified to help with generators and basic small engines. I would be glad to help you out today. All I ask is that you please remember I am also a service tech who actively is working in the field, so my responses may be a bit delayed. Please know that I will still do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. I'm sure with my knowledge, and us working together we can get you a satisfactory answer. BK is for dehumidification, either by an external dehumidifier hooked up to your system or you've got a unit with a variable speed blower motor that can ramp up/down for dehumidification mode.
I don't have a dehumidifier, but I do have a variable speed blower. It looks like the ecobee does not support a variable speed blower. Do you know what thermostats have the capability to support a variable speed blower? Thanks.
What's the model / your indoor unit? Just want to check a few things before recommending. Need to know if you've got a variable speed compressor outside as well, 2-stage compressor.
Inside units S9V2B060U3 SPA D345822G03 or A034TXCB003DS3 outside unit 4TWR6024H1000
You can still use the ecobee as the variable speed blower works independently of the thermostat when it comes to cooling/heating demand. It ramps up and down and adjusts accordingly to load. The only thing the ecobee won't do is tell it to dehumidify. So your unit in a nutshell, outside is single-stage cooling. Inside is variable speed. L thermostats that operate in dehumidification mode just slow the blower speed down 20 to 40% when in dehumidification mode, so there's nothing too special about what happens with the DS/BK terminal other than that. If you want to take full advantage of dehumidification, it requires some extra sensors. The Honeywell Prestige IAC would be a good option if you wanted to do so. You can order sensors for it. Otherwise, you could go back with the same Trane thermostat. If you had another question, feel free to ask it now and it'll do my best to reply ASAP. Otherwise, all I ask is that you take just a few seconds and remember to rate the question with 5 stars on the top left. That way JustAnswer will credit me as the expert for answering your question. If you still have a question about the matter after rating, you see and ask it in the same box free of charge and I will get back with you. Thanks, Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.